Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use TikTok multiple accounts on a single device. The process is really simple and easy. The only thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, you will see a profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on this profile icon. And in your profile, you will see 3 lines on the top right. Tap on these lines. And here, tap on this option, Settings and Privacy. And in Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the last. And here you can see the option Switch Account. Tap on it. And you can see currently I'm using 2 accounts on this device. And if I want to add another, then I have to tap on this option Add Account. And here I have to choose the method by which I want to create my new TikTok account. Just for showing you, I will choose Continue with Facebook. And as you can see, this is my Facebook profile. And if I tap on this option Continue as Rehan Khan, then my TikTok account will be created with the help of my Facebook account, and another account will be added in my TikTok. So by using this method, you can create multiple TikTok accounts on the same device.